Yep. Looks like I've got this situation well under control. I think I'll... What are you doing? No! Ah, you pulled my ear! Ah! 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 Charlie the Ranch Dog don't like you pulling my ear! That hurt! That hurts me, Emma. Please don't pull on my ear like that. That's not nice at all. Nope. You're nice?
Yeah.
You should give Charlie the Ranch Dog a kissy to say you're sorry. Okay. Oh, that's nice.
Okay. I feel better now. You want to read the book? Okay. Oh, that feels nice when you pet my ear like that. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, a little bit. Okay. Story time. Tomorrow's going to be a big day around here. Huh? What? What did I miss? Now, what is that noise? Why, it's a rabbit!
Yeah, a rabbit?
It's not?
I think that's cheese.
Hello?
I think that's cheese.
I believe rabbits are supposed to run when dogs chase them. Hold on, just 1 minute. Rabbits don't meow. Do rabbits meow? Emma, do rabbits meow?
No.
Wait, I don't think that's a rabbit at all. Meow. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, what are you doing? Charlie the Ranch Dog doesn't like that very much. Oh,
Oh, God.
I gotta get
no!
you.
Hey, hey, hey!
Oh,
That's not nice.
nice.
Oh, thank. Oh,
Careful, Emma.
Ow, see.
Oh, oh, be careful, Emma.
Emma, why don't you sit down, please? There you go.
I think that's a kitty. Is that a kitty? Is that a kitty?
Yeah. Yeah.